major and very important thing about this diet is this is the first meal of the day. 1 heaping spoon of the nuts and seed premix that I made. I'm having sweet potato with 1 banana. That's me, food tummy. Hello. Little bit of water. This is my dinner. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. That's Bullet in the background, and that was Easy playing around. She's playing with her little ball. And in today's video, I'm gonna be doing what I eat in a day to gain weight. Basically, I've been following this diet for a month now. It was given to me by my trainer, and this diet has helped me gain 1.5 to 2 kgs, which is like such a big deal for me because generally it's very hard to gain weight for skinny people like me. And the last time I gained weight was 4 kg in 4 months, and then I got a fever and I lost 2 or 3 kg in like 2 days, and after that I never gained, and only now I have gained 1.5 to 2 kg. And also I got a lot of DMs on Instagram asking me for my diet, so I thought I'll just make a video on YouTube for everyone to get an idea. This is the first meal of the day. This is what I have for breakfast. I have a glass of warm water, and then I have a bowl full of dry fruits because fat first. I have 5 almonds, 2 walnuts and 2 figs. I eat this and then I drink the water as well. And then this is protein oats, vegan protein oats with soy milk for extra protein, and then some fruit. Today I have banana, so I added banana. Otherwise I add whatever fruit I have, like blueberry, strawberry, mango, pomegranate, anything. For breakfast, this is what I have every day. I've been eating this for a month now. For lunch and dinner, I swap something. Like I will mention that as the day goes by. I did not add any sweetener in this because the oats comes with a little bit of sweetener and the banana is sweet, so it balances it out. But if I'm adding some other fruit, let's say like strawberry or blueberry, then I add a little bit of date syrup. But you can add date syrup, maple syrup, or monk fruit sweetener, something like that. One major and very important thing about this diet is the timing. It's not like you can eat at any timing. You just have to finish your calories. You have to have your breakfast between 7:30 to 8:30 max, and then as the day goes by, I'll let you know about the timing. You have to eat consistently every day during that time. I've started waking up early because I need to have my breakfast on time. Sometimes if I'm like very sleepy, I'm not able to wake up, I'll eat, and then I'll go back to sleep again. Actually, my trainer just asked me to eat 5 almonds and 2 walnuts, but I also soak figs in it because it helps with period cramps. At least for me, it did. And I drink the water because that water has a lot of nutrients from the soaking of the dry fruits. Mine is not overnight soaked oats because I have wheezing, so I can't take out something from the fridge and have it immediately. My cook comes at 6 o'clock, so she soaks for me at 6 o'clock, and then I have it at 7:38. It's 11 o'clock and it's my smoothie time, so let's make that. I'm adding 1 red banana. Actually, this one was too damn big. Like, do you see? It's so big, so I've taken half. A little bit of any fruit that is available. I'm adding strawberries. 1 heaping spoon of the nuts and seed premix that I made. If you want the recipe to this, you can watch the previous vlog to this. I made in that. Or you can also add 1 heaping spoon of peanut butter. I'm just not a big fan of peanut butter in my smoothie, so I use this premix. Little bit of soy milk for some protein. If I feel it's too thick, I'll just add a little bit of water. Oh, also, how can I forget some date syrup for sweetener? I'll be very honest, I do not like this smoothie at all. Like, I hate it. I've been drinking this smoothie almost every day for over 1.5 to 2 years now. But I have to have it because it has a lot of calories. You'll mostly see me in the same place throughout the day because this is where I eat all my meals. I just got done with shoot, and that's why there's a full face of makeup. I just changed into my home clothes because I'm gonna have my lunch now. It's 1:30, so it's my lunch time. I'm ideally supposed to have between 12:30 to 1:30 because I was busy with shoot. I'm having at 1:30, and I'm having 3 chapati with instead of palak paneer, this is paneer palak. So basically, palak paneer has palak gravy with paneer cubes, but this is paneer gravy with palak in it, and because I'm vegan and I live a cruelty free life, I don't harm any animals, I have used tofu instead of paneer. So this is what I'm having for lunch. On most days I have rice, but since today we had palak and we needed to finish the palak, we made this. I'm looking so funny with my home clothes and then these earrings, makeup and bracelet. My cook has made it slightly spicy. My spice tolerance is like really low. If you guys want the recipe of this, I will link it in the description box. Basically everything will be linked in the description box. Okay, it's 3 o'clock right now. I have to be at the gym at 3:30, which means I have to leave my house at 3. So I'm having my pre-workout and then I'll go get changed. For my pre-workout, I'm having sweet potato with 1 banana. I usually have the sweet potato salad. If you had seen my vlogs, you would know, but I've run out of guavas, so I'm having sweet potato. Actually, sweet potato is the main thing that I should be having. Because I like that salad, I have that salad. I love sweet potatoes so much. I used to have so many sweet potatoes when I was young. After getting married for a very long time, I never had sweet potato because I didn't know how to bake or steam or whatever with it. Then after I had a cook, she told me that you can steam the sweet potato in the idli gunda. So since then I've started having sweet potato again. I'm actually editing a video that I need to post in the evening, so I'm just doing that while I'm having my pre-workout. Go to the gym. Today is my leg day. I hate leg days. Also, do you see I'm wearing this thing on my legs because I'm old and I have knee pain. That's me, food tummy. Hello. Hi, I just got back from the gym. It's time for my protein shake. I hate it. I don't even know why I got excited. Some soy milk, a little bit of water, and my new protein powder. Shake, 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 shake. Is this me? No? I don't know, anytime I do legs, I feel like it's the end of the week and I don't have to go to the gym for 2 days. Like, I love going to the gym, honestly. Every time I go to the gym and come back, I feel so damn good. But for some reason, every time after I do legs, I feel like 2 days I don't have to go to the gym. I can relax at home. It's 7:15ish now. Most days I actually wait for Sean to come home, but if I'm really hungry, I have my dinner. Today, I'm actually waiting for him to come, but I'm also really hungry, so I'm having guava. I've just added a little bit of salt and some chili powder. This is one of my favorite ways to have guava, mango, cucumber. When we were in school and really young, there used to be an old lady. From her, we would buy guava, mangoes, cucumber, and Kutti Nellika. I don't know the name of that fruit in English, but Nellika is what we used to call it. We used to have all that. It's dinner time. It's 9 o'clock right now. But anyway, this is my dinner. I have 4 slices of protein bread and then I have 4 slices of tofu. My cook made a besan slurry with besan, chili powder, haldi and salt and dunked it into that and toasted. Also the bread is toasted. Then I added tomatoes. I just added tomatoes for today because cucumber is not available and I forgot to tell my cook to cut onions. By the way, the sauce that you see, it is a tomato sauce made at home fresh. I'm having matcha latte. This actually does not include in my diet, but since I'm here and I'm having this, I thought I'll just show you guys. I'm having hot matcha latte with oat milk. I love the design they've made. It's like a little lotus or a fire. I don't know. I love it. That's about what I eat in a day. Also, I mentioned that I will tell you about how you can swap instead of just tofu every single day. Of course, every day I can't have tofu. So it can either be white chickpeas, black chickpeas, rajma, soya beans or any other sort of beans, soya chunks. So each day I swap as to what I have available, and yeah, that's how I get my protein. So it's not that hard to get protein being a vegan. It's pretty simple actually. So yeah, that's all I have in a day. I hope you like this video. If you did, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.